No one wants to be in a position of having to prove to others that their parent can no longer take care of themselves or their affairs. A good parent is likely going to take offense and fight against it tooth and nail. This is why seeking adult guardianship of an aging parent should be a last resort. It does more to damage the parent-child relationship and erase adult autonomy. At the next session of the Protecting Aging Parents from Financial Ruin workshop, we talk about the potential impacts of the adult guardianship fight, but we also cover the alternatives. The alternatives that stop short of this adversarial path. We can help you achieve a more balanced situation with power of attorney, advance directive, and living trust instruments that can better preserve the relationship with mom and dad. Isn't that what we all want? Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.